If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover it.
Oh my God. Oh, holy.
Liner, Burong U 2682 set sail, something very weird happened. Okay, well, two strange things happened. The first being that one of the crew members had quit because their mom would... Oh my God. Oh my God.
You're gonna come to like a couple. Oh,
you just went around. Oh, my, that cop just seen you do that, and guess what? Oh!
like a couple. Oh,
you just went around. Oh, that cop just seen you do that, and guess what? Oh!
나를 많이 보는 넌 쉽게 받아줄 수 없지. 1분 1초 쉬지 않고 변하는 넌 안절부절 못하겠지. 멈추지 않아 한계를 지나 속도를 높여
bring up the video.
Guys, thank you.
Anytime, pal. Good to be with you.
Great to see you all. All right, coming up, the first-time guest on the show, Patrick McEnroe. Yes, the tennis great, the face of American tennis is here, and he's got a thing or two to say about what we're doing to college athletes. When there are supply constraints on commodities, prices surge. You see it with fuel prices, with everything happening in the Strait of Hormuz. And you know what else is a limited commodity? Gold. They mine it out of the ground, and when it's gone, it's gone.
For the food for the LDC Volunteer Day.
Sure. Message to Wesley Wilson saying, "Hey Wesley, any updates on the bed for the food for the LDC?"
Do you need an ambulance?
I don't know, but I think this guy's about to take off. We're both pulled over.
Can you see the tag number?
I will in just a second. He's in a black Honda. Yeah, he's definitely leaving right now.
Okay, what's the tag number? Well, you driving to the light. That's why.
I wasn't. I was at the light. Look at this one.
Oh.
Hit the pump and just hang.